Hello po at magandang araw. Ngayon po ay July 5, the first Tuesday of the month. At welcome po sa The Stock Market today. Marami po tayong request for review today. So, bilisan po natin, ano? If this is your first time in this channel, ako po si Ben G. Chodoro, isang retired bank officer na nagsimula mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007, and I do this report every day, which I started August of 2020. Nire-report ko rin ang latest news tungkol sa inyong paborito at pinaka-aktibong stocks. If you like the content, inimbita ko po kayo mag-subscribe sa aking channel. Kung meron po kayong stocks na gusto ipa-review, paki-comment lang sa comment box at aking pa-prioritize. Hindi po ako financial advisor. Anything I say dito sa aking channel ay hindi po financial advice. Ang ating news ay tungkol sa MWIDE kasama ang ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, July 5, 2022, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Okay, so puntahan natin ang ating financial headlines from our economic news. T-bills rates up across the board. So yung 91-day benchmark ay nasa 1.91%. Yung 182 days or 6 months ay 2.61%. Then 7 to 8% growth target challenging balikasan, sabi niya. So mukhang mahihirapan tayo sa 7 to 8%. Ang target ng Philippine economy ay just a little above 6%. Sectoral news naman, BPO sector eyeing 2.5 million jobs in 6 years. Then MWIDE gets 8th PH or Phirst Park Homes project. Ito po yung sa Gen 3 Cavite, no? Gen Trias. Then Prime Infra Wawa Bulk Water Project completes first phase. So ang main news natin nasa Business World, and this is MWIDE secures contract to build 1,644 houses in General Trias. Listed construction company MWIDE Construction Corp announced on Monday that it secured its 8th contract with housing developer Phirst Park Homes or PPHI. Under the contract, MWIDE will build 1,644 housing units using precast materials in PPHI, General Trias in Cavite, the company said in an email statement. MWIDE also built housing units for PPHI Tansa in the same province in 2018. The contract will further expand MWIDE's precast order book and strengthen its presence in the horizontal housing segment, the company said. For more efficiency and faster turnover, the company is also set to build an on-site precast molding, concrete hatching or batching plant to manufacture precast housing components for the project, it said. The company hopes to address this perennial housing problem in the Philippines, said Chairman and CEO Edgar Saavedra. The Philippines' estimated total housing backlog is 5.7 million for 2011 to 2016, the company said, citing data from the Housing and Urban Development Coordinating Council. So mamaya tingnan natin actually pwede natin tingnan ngayon, no? I was taking a look at this kasi earlier, si MWIDE, and yan, no? Tingnan nyo yan, nasa 510 na po. Kasi dito pa, at its lowest, here nung June 24, ay ang closing price nyo as 315. Ngayon nasa 510. At malaking jump yung ginawa nyo. Dito po ay naging 363 nung June 28. Nag-jump siya ng 28% noong July or June 29, nasa 465 at nag-consolidate lang po ng konti. Ngayon po ay nasa 510 or a 12.58% jump. So napakalaking turnaround ang ginawa ni MY dito, no? From a bearish movement to a bullish movement, na reach na niya po yung kanyang second resistance level, ano? Puro breakout po nangyari dito kay MY. Yan po yung nangyari kay MWIDE. And tingnan natin yung inyong mga request. We have a lot of requests here for review, no? And dito po si Isip-Roman, ang sabi niya FB at CNPF. Okay, salamat po. Gilbert Borromeo, Sir, GSMI naman sa susunod. Salamat ng marami. Sige, your wish is my command. Request ko, Sir, GSMI at FLI. Si Jasper Pascual po ito. And then, FGEN and AGI, Delo Kamalik. Sige, gawin natin si FGEN. And then, CHIB, si Jeron Katimbang. CHIB. So, China Bank. So, meron kang shares ng China Bank, ha? Closely held po ito. Chito Gomez. Sabi niya, good PM po, kindly review AC, GTCAP, and MREIT if possible. Sige po, gawin po natin yan. And we have a record 9 requests today. Okay, salamat po sa inyong mga requests at pagtangkilik sa channel. But first, let's go to the PSE. The PSE index gained 126.37 points, 2.04% up to end at 6309.99. Pero the sentiment is still bearish and it has to break first the short term, no? MA20, bago natin masabi na merong turnaround on the short term siya, no? RSI is still down. Actually, it's not down, it's at 45. It's inching upwards. So mukhang nandito na po yung bullish divergence niya. But in general, the sentiment is still downwards. Sabi ng mga most analysts, and that's also what I think. Okay, yung market activity naman, 71 companies declined, 119 advanced, while 46 remained unchanged. The all-share index also advanced 1.50%. All our sectoral indices are up. And this was led by properties at 3.41. Yan po yung NY na tingnan natin kanina, properties po yun, no? At yung ating most active stock is Ali, properties din po yun. Then SEC, mining, sa Mirara, no? Or holding, yeah, I think it's mining. And MWIDE is here, no? 12.58%. Then nandito si tags, etc. Most of it are green, no? And most of our index stocks are up. URC is already at 114. And yung jump ng Monde is 5% today. But we will be reviewing your requested stocks, no? Tingnan lang po natin yung mga most active and yung mga nag-gain, no? Yung mga gainers. FB muna tayo. San Miguel Food and Beverage Company. Alam niyo po itong San Miguel. In the 1970s, ang produkto lang po niyan ay beer, soft drinks, at ice cream. Yan ang po produkto ng San Miguel. Pagka sinabi mong San Miguel, ma-associate mo kagad sa beer yan. At one point, San Miguel had the franchise of Coke. Coke, hindi ko na matandaan yung iba, Lemon Lime, I think, some soda products. Pero, yun lang po ang negosyo ni San Miguel, ano? But today, marami po siyang negosyo, no? And nag-diversify na po siya into construction, tollways, power, food and beverage is their main bread and butter, actually. So, FB is down. So, oversold po siya. And the trend is moving, it's moving downwards. Natin to. But the earnings are down, yung net income niya. Although may income, compared to the quarter before, it's down. And it continues to move downwards. Let's do a 1-week chart. So 1 week, ito po yung it's reaching its support already. Dito po, nasa 45.80 or 46.84. So it's slightly down already. And the next support level, nandito na po sa 29, no? Pre-pandemic na ito eh. Or pandemic 2017, ano? 31 pesos. So it's still moving downwards based on a 1-week chart or 1-day chart, no? So yan po si FB, yung ating nearest resistance nandito po sa 56. At fundamentally naman, kung titingnan natin si San Miguel FB, nasa 85 pesos or an 85% possible upside po yan. Yan po si San Miguel, malaki po yung upside niya sa kanyang food and beverage. Although yung holding company niya, si San Miguel Corporation, ay meron siyang neutral rating, na-reach na po yung kanyang presyo. Okay, so that's FB, then CNPF, Century Pacific Foods, just moving sideways based on a 1-day chart with our indicators just piercing through the candlestick, but it gained 90 centavos today or 4.15% upside, but it's just touching our long term, which is the 100 days, nasa 22.64 po. Yan po yung pinaka support natin dyan, or the resistance rather, is the 100-day moving average, no? Yan po, dito po siya, 22.61, and the support is very near this area, nasa 20.46, still moving sideways, although the RSI appears to be bullish at 59, no? Kasi green, red, and green, and increase here looks promising. Okay, then GSMI, si GSMI, naku, pababa si GSMI, isang San Miguel product pa rin to, no? So one of their beverage products, but it continues to move downwards. RSI is bearish at 37. Let's do a 1-week chart. Pataas siya, started to move up August 10, 2020 at it reached its peak here January 10 until nag-turn bearish on the short and medium term, although the long-term indicator based on a 1-week chart. So 1 day, although 1 day is bearish. Yan po. So tingnan natin yung 1-week chart para makita natin kung nasaan yung support and resistance. I think this is support level na. Yan po yung support level niya, nasa 99 eh. O 98 or 99, more or less. Nasa support level na po siya. And it continues to move down eh. Kasi yung short, medium, and long term na set as po, RSI is bearish at 37. Then, FLI. Yan natin si FLI. Naku, ganun din ang kwento niya. It's down. PHILINvestland. And continues to move downwards with RSI at 39. Pero, support level na rin po ito based on the 1-week chart. Ito pong pinaka-support niya. Nandyan po sa 84, no? Near support or support level. So, bearish po siya, 39, and the nearest resistance would be here. Yan po, no? Although nagkaroon siya ng green candlestick today, we still have to see some more upward movement in order to say that we have a trend reversal. Then FGEN. Si FGEN ay halos walang transaction itong si FGEN, bearish po siya. Pero nag-reach na po siya, no? Consolidate po siya dito at medyo yan, nasa 16 44 po yung pinaka-support level. Tingnan natin yung 1 week. And the next lower support would be here at 1442. And most of your requests are, hindi ko naman masabing losing, kundi it's mostly downward, no? Yan po. Although, well, looks promising yung RSI dahil merong looks like a bullish divergence here. No? But our long-term indicators, short and medium term, are still above the candlestick. Ngayon, fundamentally, FGEN, 31 pesos po yung kanyang upside or 81.9%. So may fundamentals po ito. Mga 85% upside. Then, CHIB, China Bank. First time yata ako makakita ng China Bank request. Okay, just moving sideways. Actually, kaya ganito po yung structure niya is bihirang nagbebenta. Maraming gustong bumili, bihirang nagbebenta. Yun po yung nature ng China Bank. Or walang nagbebenta. Sayang hindi natin makita yung bid and ask. No? Pero right now, konti lang. No? Volume niya is 226,000 and 1,000 shares at 6.12 million. It's 27 pesos per share. Okay, just moving sideways since May, no? But otherwise it has been moving up from November 2021 up to, well, shall we say May, June, no? Sideways to bullish ang kanyang movement, although nagka-taper off na po dito ang kanyang support. Let's take MO100 as support. That's 2653 to 2670, no? And resistance would be here at this level. Nasa 2771. Nasa 2771 to 2780. And then Ayala Corporation downwards pa rin siya. So properties are down, although yung properties natin dito is up, 3.41%, led by MWIDE, 12.58%. Yan yung nagpo-pull ng property index pataas, ano? But Ayala is down, continues to move downwards. And if you'll draw a parallel channel, kaya ang gawin natin dito. Yan, more or less po, yan po yung movement ni Ayala Corp. Okay, so more or less, yan po yung movement niya. So, ang pinaka resistance based dito sa ating parallel channel is very near 660, while 578 naman po ang pinaka support niya, no? Yan, continues to move downwards. It follows, the resistance follows the EMA50. Yan, although Ayala is a good company, fundamentally Ayala Corporation ay nandito 610 ngayon, no? Yesterday's price 1,050, mga 72% yung upside niya. Then GTCAP is yan, still moving downwards. Again, if you will be drawing a parallel channel, yan po, no? On the short term, yung kanyang resistance nandito po sa 500.28 and the support is at 455 with RSI below the midpoint at 45, continues to move downwards. So ito yung nagde-define ng sentiment, no? Bullish sentiment kasi ang PSEI, but some of the index stocks are down, no? But most of the indices, all the indices are up. And then MREIT, si MREIT naman, ganun din si MREIT, pababa din siya. Nasa 1530. 1530 bearish po. Magandang bumili ng MREIT, ha? Okay, 1520, ito po yung pinaka-support niya. Yan, nasa 15, more or less, ang pinaka-support niya. continues to move downwards. Ngayon, yung RSI nasa 37, still bearish. The support here seems to be holding. It lost 48 centavos today. Ang pinaka resistance, pwede natin ilagay dito sa area nito. Nasa 1668, somewhere there. Within that area. Okay. So yan po ang ating report sa stock market. Ika-5 ng Hulyo 2022. Ito po si Benji Chadora nagpapaalala. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay at hanggang sa muli. Stay safe. God bless. Bye for now.